What is going on, guys? Indestructible One here, coming at you with some more Pokemon cards. Gonna open them up. Got a couple over here that my brother's gonna open up.
Because I'm poor.
You're not poor.
Yeah, I am.
Nope. And I got a Lucario pin and some more, so let's get into it. Go ahead and open up those bad boys. Let's see what you got.
Alright. Yeah. Man.
I didn't do well under pressure.
Okay. I think it's...
Aw, trying to save the packs.
Yeah, I am because... Oh, man.
Nope.
I
Messed it
saw
up.
that side. Okay, so there's that.
Yep.
There's that.
Yep.
For those of you that want that. And I got Rough Seas again.
Nice.
God, I hate Rough Seas. And then I got that again. I got a Nidorina again.
You get those a lot.
And I got a Weakness Policy. That is actually pretty good. Nice. And then I got...
Nice.
Okay. Oh, I got a Spiel. Look how colorful it is.
Yep.
And I got a Slug.
Nice.
Why? And I got a Loomis, or something like that.
Yep. Illumise, I think, or something.
She's
like
gonna
that.
go well with the one guy that I have. And the Tangela.
Yep.
And then...
Yep.
Look at that.
Marine.
Who'd have thought? And then a Clamperl.
Nice.
Okay, so that's what was in that one. Now, what's in the other one? Oh, look at that. That opened better.
Save the pack.
God, I keep doing it the wrong way. At least I didn't see the name. Okay, so here's the other one. For those of you that want that crap.
Okay.
Crap.
Give them the code card. That's what they want.
Then here's the CeeLo.
Yep.
Ooh, should probably throw that there. And then I keep pulling doubles.
Yeah, you sure do.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I'm gonna have to steal that from you.
Seriously, you are not stealing that from me. You'll have to trade me. Look at that, an extra drill.
Yep.
See, I got that one, and then I got this one.
Yep.
See
Two
that?
of them.
Like crazy. Oh,
Yep.
baby.
Nidoqueen.
A Nidoqueen.
Yep.
Yay. They just got better. Zigzagoon.
Yep.
Love that guy. So useful. I got that weird thing.
Barboach.
Freaking Barboach. Got a Surskit.
Yep.
Add to my Surskits.
Yep.
I got the freaking hippopotamus.
Hippopotas.
Whatever, it's a hippopotamus. And I got a Torchic!
Yeah,
Yay!
that's what you needed. Just kidding. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and get into these. See what we got here. Code card. There's a trick to this, but I don't know what it is. So, got a Gothita, Gibble, Solius, Trubbish. Hey, nice. Do this. This bad boy. We got a Plusle. Zaptu. I don't know what that one is. Something else. Oh no. I got a Purloin. And then what you wanted.
Really?
Curlia.
Not exactly.
Oh.
It's close though.
Close enough.
What I wanted was Gardevoir.
Oh, Gardevoir. Well, I'll see if I can pull her.
If you do pull it, I swear.
Code card.
Pull
I don't know the-
Gardevoir.
I don't know
I'll
the-
give you the ground.
I don't know what the trick is, so we'll just go ahead and do... Oh, got the Rita.
Oh.
Servine. Another Servine. Two Servines. Minceco. Seawaddle. Woobat. So, Scoliosis. What I needed. Xatu. And a Zapdos. Hollow. Nice card there. And then
Get a better
a Shaman
Zapdos.
EX.
Oh, you got a Shaman.
Yep.
Man.
Nice card right there.
Jealousy over here.
Yep. Keep being jealous.
Be more jealous if you got a Gardevoir.
Well, I'm gonna get one, I hope.
Or an Umbreon.
Alright, so we got the other again. Krogunk. Dwebble. Not two. Nice card. I don't know. Leavanny. Hollow.
Oh.
That's what they're, yeah. Okay, and then we got this bad boy. And then Sinsico. Shine. And we got a Adween. Adiono. I don't freaking know. Stunfish. Looks like a piece of Play-Doh.
It's like Chansey. It's the
And
medic.
Do you what? Medic?
Yeah, it's a medic.
You're a medic. You dick.
Ever.
Alright. Let's go ahead and do a Pyroar Flash Fire. Hoping to get what I really, really want. My Charizard. Code card. Code card. See, here's the trick. Move the rare and reverse hollow to the back. Stunky. Scraggy. Skrelp. Weasel, I think. Fletchling. Pokemon Center Lady. Dusclops. Nuzleaf. Stunky again. Ooh, I already have this card. And a Godira.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Karma Clash, here we go.
I love how you're gonna keep pulling doubles and triples,
Yep.
just like I pull quadruples. God damn it.
There we go. Oh, we got a card that's in there backwards. That don't
Oh.
happen very often.
Manufacturing mistake.
Yep. So maybe that means I'm going to get a good one. I don't know. Ooh. So first up is Kyogre Spirit Link.
Oh, look
Keep
at that.
Keep that bad
I
boy.
have the Groudon and you have the Kyogre.
Yep. Oh man. Spheal. Honage. Hippopotas. Electrike. Backwards card.
Oh, I have that Electric.
Rough Seas. Shiny.
I still hate Rough Seas.
Manectric.
Oh, that's
That's a
just
good
like
card.
mine.
That's a good card. We got Electrike. Bunnelby.
Better be careful.
And a
the phone could
Vulpix.
fall over.
Nah. It won't fall over. I've done this plenty of times.
There's plenty of times where the
Look at
table
that. Look
shakes.
at that pack.
Yeah, I know. I have that one.
Yeah, I opened it beautifully though.
So mine's open beautifully too. You trying to say that I can't accomplish it?
There. I got some beautiful ones open there. Yeah. Alright. Go ahead and do this. We got a Trico. Vulpix. Rhyhorn. Volbeat. Spheal.
Oh, well,
Experience Share. Energy Retrieval. Grovyle. Groudon Spirit Link Shiny.
dang it.
Yeah, yeah. 131 out of 160. And a Sceptile.
I was gonna use that as leverage.
Nope, not anymore.
Dang it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll
Now
never
we'll go
get
ahead and open up this bad boy.
Never get my Gardevoir.
These suck at opening.
Everyone wants to see that beautiful pen. Just like, yeah, pens. Who knew?
Alright. So we got the 3 packs. And the awesome looking pen. So we'll go ahead and do this one first. Save the Charizards for last. Code card. And we'll put it over here. Alright, so we got a Zora, Venipede, Skitty. Ooh, what kind of energy is that?
Why?
Some kind of energy card.
Oh, that's the heart energy.
Fairy type energy, I think?
Yes.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know. It's some
Sure.
fairy stuff.
Diglett?
Someone in the comments will tell us.
Yeah. Max Revive, Inkay. Ooh, Swellow, shiny. And a Wigglytuff. Wigglytuff.
Wigglytuff.
Go ahead and go on to the Charizard one.
It would draw on your face.
Code card, like always. Do the card trick. Really hoping for an awesome card. Ponyta, Baneri, Esper, Spritzy, Litleo, Metapod, Miltank, Sacred Ash, Spheal, and a Floatzel.
Floatzel.
Really hoping to get a good card. I want my Mega Charizard.
So far, you're getting pretty good ones.
Code card.
Especially some of the trainers.
So we got a Pidgey, Flabébé, Helioptile, Sentret, Litleo, Crocorock, Pokemon Fan Club, Graveler, Pidgeot, and the last card is a Butterfree.
Butterfree.
Butterfree, that's all she is. So,
By the way,
to recap, got a couple good cards. Sceptile, Groudon Spirit Link, Manectric, Kyogre Spirit Link, Gudra, Vanny, Zapdos, the one I was looking for. Now I need the other 2 legendary birds, and Shaman EX. So, thanks everybody for watching, like and favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.